Okay, let's start over.
Where is that big Woody? Hello. Ah!
Who's gonna kick?
How are you? Go. Scratchy. Go.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Now it's mine. It's one of this HTC phone. There we go. Ah, come on. Come on, dude. This big Woody is going to get Jesse, but he forgot one thing. Ah.
You forgot one thing, Big Woody.
I know. Scratch it.
Okay.
Cut. Ah!
Would you like you forget to untap her?
Big
Hey, my name's Woody.
Big Woody, you're going to jail. Ah!
Cowboy without his hat is like a squirrel without a hay heel.
Ah!
Thanks for calling me. Would you like to with the fake magic knife?
Nikki, no pretending. Never really on tape.
Oh, yeah. Woody.
Hey, I'm the real Woody. He's not.
Real Woody. We're gonna get married.
No, get married.
Delete that.
Macy, you're in big trouble. Go into the computer.
It's not me.
Oh, whatever you say.
You recorded yourself. That's all for another adventure.
No more kitty catty.
What?
She's
Yes,
going-
ma'am. Huh?
Get your bath water.
Hey, what?
Now we're here with the crying kitty. Sorry, Missy, you have to do it. Barnacle head.
I'm gonna cut my hair off.
Oh, really? You're not gonna do it. You're not gonna cut your finger. Not until I get this. You can't even reach up there. In fact, you can't even hurt my arm. Leg. Barnacle head.
Don't record me in the bathtub.
Okay.
Oh. Man, I gotta take my ball.
No, I did not. Our phosphorus house survived in the terrible flood, but they forgot one thing. Guys, you forgot us.